Hey all, this is Tansiha. Welcome to DA Solutions. Are you tired of creating the same journal entries again and again? In this video, we will show you how to use journal templates in Zoho Books to save time and manual repetition. So, before getting into the video, let's check what custom templates are. Let's say you frequently post entries for salary payments, interbranch transfers, depreciations, etc. Typing same debit and credit all the time can be monotonous and error prone. There is where journal templates help. They let you predefine your entries and reuse them with just a few clicks. So let's check how to create journal template and create a journaling entry using these templates. So you could see under accountant module there is manual journal. On the right side there are more options. There is an option called manage template. Click on that and you can create a new template against journal entries. So here provide the template name. Currently I am providing it as salary due. Provide the notes. Salary due to staffs. Then check this option if the journal type is cash based. Currently we are on accrual basis. Now let's create the journal entries. So I have created all the debit and credit side of the journal entry. Once I save this template, you can see here I have created the journal template. If you want to edit this template, you can click on edit and edit the template, and if you no longer use this template, you can click delete and delete the template. So if you want to generate a transaction using this template, you can click on use template and create the journal entry. So all the details I have provided in the template will be listing over here, and just click save and publish after confirming the entry. So the journal entry is posted. You can either create the journal entries in that method, or either under manual journal you can click on new option, and on my right side you can see choose template. All the created templates will be listing over here, and you can choose the correct template from the list. Click on select button, so all the data entries in that template will be auto listed over here. Verify and just save and click on save and publish, so that the new journal entry will be created. Okay, so if you want to view the created journal entry and if you want to edit the created journal template, then what you have to do is you have to click on more option, and under manage template you can see all the created journal entries. Over there you can edit those templates. Okay, so hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any question or need help with Zoho Books, please do contact and we will be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.